My video is dedicated to help you remove fake browser survey alerts. These fake browser survey alerts may be presented as some Chrome Search Contest 2022, Firefox Search Contest 2022, and some other browsers may also display these fake survey alerts. Now, these pop-ups come from the site Flowerbothsystem.top. Flowerbothsystem.top website tricks you into participating in this fake survey. It may promise that you can win some gifts if you participate in this survey and share your personal details. However, I urge you not to share any of your personal data through these fake browser surveys. If you do that, your personal information may be granted to third parties illegally and also used illegally, so don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups by Flowerbothsystem.top. They are absolutely fake. To remove these pop-ups, access the menu of your browser, go to Settings. Now select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications, and research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Very often such notifications, if they are not decent, may point you to such deceptive sites. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.